Hello everyone, I am Mohammed Hishan, the student representative of Batch 1 Tech for Impact Youth Innovation Program. So, today I'm going to explain to you all about n8n. It is a simple automation site that uses AI to enhance things easily and effectively for us. So, let's go to the contents of what we are going to study today. So I'm going to divide my section into five subsections. It's introducing what n8n is and explaining how it works and what kind of problems it solves in real life and how it can be used in real life and who can benefit. All right. So what is n8n? So you might be wondering, what is this guy saying about n8n? Okay, what is this? Is this it's this like ChatGPT or Bard? No, this is something different. So it is a tool that is used for automating computer tasks. So what does automation mean? Automation simply means that rather than all doing all those stuff manually, the computer or the program does that for us. So it's very easy. What happens here is that it connects different apps and sites like WhatsApp, ChatGPT, mail, weather, and it gives a certain input that helps. I'll explain that later on in the session. This doesn't need any kind of coding, and we just have to drag and drop, and it's called workflow. Can you see in the picture? There are like different dots coming up, right? Those are called flows. So we just have to do that. So now we move on to how does it work. So let's imagine that you have a friend, like you have so many friends and you can't remember everyone's birthdays. So what can you do using n8n? So simply you make an Excel sheet, write all of their birthdays, note their times, dates, and when all those comes up, and use that node to connect it to the n8n main server and use those sub nodes such as, let's say, the timer so that it can sense the time, and ChatGPT so that it sends a message relevant to that person, and the app to whether you want to send it. Simple, just connect them and start it. So what I have given here is to show simply how a mail works, right? So what we do is we chose the trigger first. Let it be email for us in this instance. All right. So email is the main source that we are getting the message from. So that's the trigger. So steps. So what do we want to do from this email? Sometimes, sometimes your teacher sends you homework and you might not be able to see that, right? So we can, at the step, at what time does the teacher often send the homework? So let's say it's every day at around 7:30. So you put the clock around 7:30 to 8, and use ChatGPT as another step, all right, and use WhatsApp as the last step. So what it does is, if you are a cheater, when you start it, when the teacher sends you an email, this n8n identifies that and uses ChatGPT to solve all the answers and get all the answers in a PDF into your WhatsApp. So simple and very effective to cheating, right? So this is a one example of how it works. And what kind of problems does it solve? Repeating tasks. So when you do this, sometimes you have to, go to the mail, come back to WhatsApp, ChatGPT. All these are very hard work, right? So just by a click, it does all these in a matter of seconds. And and copying and pasting it, you just have to copy the question to ChatGPT, then get the answers, write it in a different paper and send it, right? It does it all easily, can you see? And switching between apps, like I just said. And human mistakes, if you do the paper, you will have errors, but if ChatGPT does it, yes, it is a form of cheating, but then as an example, if we use ChatGPT, it can do it very easily and in a matter of seconds, right? So it helps you to do work efficiently and with less amount of time. So where can n8n be used in a real life? Automatic replies to mails. Let's say that that your teacher sends you a message with n8n, you can send the message back to the teacher. All right. So sending reminders to students. If there is like an exam coming up, if there's like an assignment to do, you just send it all, and you just send all the details to n8n and give the dates. And with the time, when the time comes, it just sends the mail as fast as it can. Okay, and posting automatically on social media. So let's say that you get all of these different pictures, you get and you want to have this active social media profile. So you connect your pictures app and you connect ChatGPT and you connect your social media app, let's say Instagram. So when a new picture comes to your gallery, that picture automatically get posted, and chat with the help of ChatGPT, it can generate a chat, and you can just post it in Instagram as soon as the freelance, and creating chatbots with AI. So let's say you wanted to, you wanted a chatbot who wants to translate. Okay, so what you do, you find a translator app, a translation app, connect it. So send the message on messages in what you need to translate, and it translates using that app automatically. Simple, right? Notifying teachers or managers instantly. So let's say that you are trying to bunk class, and somehow with the help of CCTV applications, this finds out that you are bunking classes. All right, or you are cutting classes, or you are having too many sick days at office. So what it does is it analyzes and informs the manager if that person doesn't come. So no more cheating at school and no more cheating at your workplace. All right. And the fifth, who can benefit? University students and researchers to find articles, with the tough deadlines. They can use this as a support system. Teachers and lecturers to send assignments, to have mock exams, to correct papers, and time timing to do online exams and all these. School students like me, not me, I'm an undergraduate, but then school students can use it as well for the use of office and businesses. So let's say that uh, you have something like an Excel sheet, to note it down. You just don't have to do that. You can use n8n to use it to help it. Anyone who uses computer every day, well, anyone who wants to have an easy work, they can use it as well. So that's it from my end. I hope you got a basic understanding of what n8n is, because I use the most simpler terms to explain the concept of n8n. I hope you understand, and we'll see you on the next video. Thank you. Have a nice day. Bye.